Ooh, 1 plus 1 equals 2. But add one more and see that 2 plus 1 is 3, and 3 is strong.
Triangles. The three-sided polygons with innumerable attributes, one of which being their strength. Take bridges, for example. What do you see in common with these three images? Triangles. The structure of these bridges is made up of triangles, not squares, not hexagons, not even lines. But why trust triangles to such a huge responsibility as holding up a bridge with like an 80,000-pound capacity? Well, the answer is simpler than you think. It all comes down to something called the SSS theorem. The SSS, or side-side-side theorem, states that if the sides of one triangle are equal to the sides of another triangle, the triangles are congruent. Congruency means when two things are superimposed, all of their features coincide with one another. Unlike other polygons, the sides of triangles determine their shape, so they can't collapse. Here's an example.
The sides of this triangle are equal to the sides of this triangle. Does that mean that they are congruent? Yes, because the sides of a triangle determine its shape. However, the sides of this quadrilateral are equal to the sides of this quadrilateral. Does that mean the two quadrilaterals are congruent? No, they are congruent right now, but the shape of a quadrilateral can change like that.
To make other polygons strong like triangles, we can put triangles inside of them by connecting each of the vertices with straight line segments, like this. We've explored the SSS theorem, but to give triangles a little more time to be awesome, let's look at the ASA theorem and the SAS theorem. Can you guess what those mean before I tell you? Comment below. ASA stands for angle side angle and SAS stands for side angle side. The ASA postulate states that if the two angles and included side of one triangle equal the two angles and included side of another triangle, the two triangles are congruent. You can probably guess what the SAS postulate is from that. Try it out in the comment section. If an angle in a triangle is over 90 degrees, it is obtuse. If it's less than 90 degrees, it is acute. But if all the angles in a triangle are equal, it is an equiangular triangle. Triangles are strong and unique, right? Right triangles are only right if and only if they contain a right angle. If all the sides of a triangle are equal, then it's an equilateral triangle. If at least two of the sides of a triangle are equal, then it's isosceles. If none of the sides of a triangle are equal, then it's scalene.